In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the Squarespace login. By the end, you'll have a clean, reliable login link right in your site's header, so visitors, clients, or contributors can sign in without hunting around. We'll move through the editor together and place the built-in account element where it's most useful. First, head into your site's editor and bring your mouse over the header area at the top of any page. When the header toolbar appears, click at Edit Site Header. This opens the header editor, which is a focused workspace just for your logo, navigation, and utility links. If you don't see the toolbar right away, hover slowly near the top edge until the overlay appears. Inside the header editor, you're working on the live header shared across your pages, so any change you make here will show site-wide. Next, within the header editor, choose Add Elements. This is your library of ready-made header items like buttons, social icons, and more. When you open it, you'll see the areas of your header highlighted, such as the left, center, or right sections, depending on your template's layout. Think about where your visitors naturally look for a login option. Often the upper right is familiar and easy to spot. The Add Elements panel lets you place new items in the section you prefer, keeping your navigation tidy and consistent. From the list, select Account. Squarespace will instantly add an account element to your header. This creates the login entry point for your site. Visitors who aren't signed in will see a login label or a profile icon, and clicking it takes them to the Squarespace login flow. If someone is already signed in, it becomes their account access point, typically showing profile options or a link to their member area, depending on your site's features. After it appears, take a quick look to make sure it fits with your header layout. You'll usually see options on the side to adjust basic appearance. Some templates show an icon by default, others a text label. If you prefer a cleaner look, the icon can help. If clarity is key, the text label is great. On mobile, this element will tuck neatly in to the mobile header or menu, so users can still sign in from smaller screens. That's all there is to it. By editing the site header, adding a new element, and choosing account, you've created a clear, consistent login location. Changes in the header editor save with your design updates so you can keep building with confidence. If it doesn't show at first, make sure you're viewing a page that uses the same header and that you're still in the header editor. Thanks for watching and enjoy your streamlined Squarespace login.